Car jump starters have evolved from niche emergency devices to multifunctional power hubs that can start engines, inflate tires, and charge mobile devices. For drivers, fleet operators, and emergency-prepared households, a reliable jump starter can reduce risk, time, and confusion when a battery fails. In this review,
List number 1. Povesi Jump Starter 5000A Car Jumper Starter. Povesi A30 is a compact 5000A jump starter with a claimed jump capability up to 10-liter gas and 8-liter diesel engines, plus a 74 watt-hour power bank, dual USB outputs, and a 400-lumen LED light with multiple modes. It emphasizes compact form factor, about 2.2 pounds, and a 10 security protection suite, making it a strong all-around emergency device for everyday vehicles. Its peak spec, 5000A, places it in the upper mid-tier for portable jump starters with a strong emphasis on safety and portability. Deeper analysis. In practice, the A30 delivers fast ignition for typical 12V passenger cars and light trucks, and its USB-C/USB-A charging options add convenience for device charging during outages or roadside stops. The unit's low weight and included protective case improve portability, but the lack of an included AC charger, as noted in the package details, means you must source a charger separately, which can affect setup time. The built-in protections, reverse polarity, over-discharge, overheat, etc. are comprehensive and help reduce beginner mistakes. Pros: high peak amps for compact size, lightweight and portable, dual USB outputs with QC 3.0 fast charging, 74 watt-hour battery provides phone charging and light, robust 10 protection system. Cons: no AC charger included, only 74 watt-hour limits prolonged usage beyond phone charging. Display readout is basic and not as informative as larger units. No built-in air compressor. Specific technical impacts. 5000A peak supports up to 60+ quick starts per charge depending on vehicle, but effective performance depends on battery condition and cable connection integrity.
List number 2. Gulu A3 Jump Starter with Air Compressor. Gulu A3 is a 3000 amp jump starter with an integrated air compressor capable of 150 psi, supporting engines up to 9.0-liter gas and 6.5-liter diesel. It emphasizes versatility with inflation modes and a 5-nozzle kit, plus materials like a 35-liter per minute airflow and a long-lasting BMS with 1,000+ recharge cycles. It also functions as a portable power bank and includes a bright, smart LED display. Deeper analysis: at 3Ka, A3 is smaller in peak output than some rivals, but makes up for it with inflatable versatility and a broader feature set for on-the-road maintenance. The 150 psi inflator is a genuine plus for tire care, and the unit's 18-month warranty indicates confidence in durability. However, the 3Ka rating may be marginal for very large or highly discharged diesels. In practice, owners with larger diesel engines or vehicles with deeply depleted batteries may want higher peak amps. Pros: 150 psi inflator with multiple modes, 18-month warranty, 5 inflation modes and included nozzles, built-in display and USB outputs, multi-function power bank. Cons: 3000 amp peak may struggle on larger diesels, heavier than some ultra-portable models. Battery life for continuous inflation is limited to around 45 minutes per full charge.
List number 3. Wolfbox MV24 4000A Jump Starter. Wolfbox MV24 is a 4000A jump starter with a 24,000 mAh internal battery and a 65-watt USB-C quick charger, plus an LCD display and a PD 65-watt fast charger. It supports up to 10-liter gasoline or diesel engines and includes LED lighting and a robust set of safety features. Deeper analysis. At 4000A, MV24 sits solidly in the mid to upper segment, delivering reliable starts for most passenger cars and light trucks. The 65-watt USB-C PD output provides rapid recharging of devices and even laptops, which is compelling for road trips or emergencies. The 24,000 mAh battery capacity translates to more than a couple dozen phone charges, but actual performance depends on temperature and load. The unit's IP64 rating and UL/FCC/CE certifications add to its credibility. Pros: strong 4000A peak, large 24,000 mAh battery, 65-watt USB-C PD charging, clear LCD display, versatile emergency light and safety features. Cons: slightly heavier at 3.2 pounds, may be overkill for purely jump-start needs in small cars. No package details on included cables beyond basic jumper cables.
Number 4. Jump starter with air compressor. The LX0301 from Kink Roll Mill delivers a formidable 8,000A peak with an integrated air compressor capable of inflating up to 150 psi and a 6.0-liter gas DRS 3.0-liter diesel capacity claim. It adds a digital display, built-in tire pressure gauge, USB-C and USB-A ports, and a compact form factor with 2.61 pounds weight. Deeper analysis. The 8,000A peak is unusually high for a unit in the sub-$40 category, suggesting strong start capability on smaller vehicles and even some larger ones when battery health is reasonable. The 150 psi inflator with multiple preset modes and 22mm cylinder motor implies a capable tire inflation experience, potentially making it a single-stop shop for emergency starts and tire care. However, the reported price appears inconsistent with the feature set for this model and the provided data, and the 3.0 peak output current in the product data looks like a misprint or misalignment with standard terminology. Pros: 8,000A peak, integrated 150 psi tire inflator, digital display with multiple ports, built-in tire pressure gauge, lightweight and compact. Cons: reported specs raise questions about actual electrical rating and manufacturer clarity. Some markets show price and availability variability. 2x12V battery configuration could affect long-term reliability if not properly managed.
List number 5, Gulu GP4000 Jump Starter 4000A Peak Car Starter. All gas. Gulu GP4000 is a 4000A peak jump starter that supports all gas engines and up to 10.0-liter diesel with a rugged build, metal clamps, USB-C and USB-A outputs, and a compact body. It emphasizes a ready-to-use design with a high user rating and a robust protection suite. Deeper analysis. The GP4000's 4000A peak is a solid choice for a wide range of vehicles, including larger SUVs and light trucks, while its USB-C and USB-A outputs provide flexible charging options for devices. The inclusion of all metal clamps is a notable durability advantage, and the rugged casing helps resist drop damage. The downside for some users is the lack of included wall charger in some packages, and the fact that, like other jump starters, extended idle time requires periodic recharging to maintain readiness. Pros: 4000A peak, all metal clamps, rugged build, USB-C fast charging, broad vehicle compatibility up to 10-liter diesel. Cons: wall charger not always included, bulkier than ultra-compact designs, and battery maintenance needed with long idle periods.